I've been focusing a lot in recent years on implementing different autonomous sensing technologies so that we can improve processes such as bridge inspection, and then also finding invasive plants in aquatic areas. For example, we've been demonstrating small drones such as these and how they can fly around both in confined spaces and outdoors and collect critical data for understanding bridge condition, for example. And the importance of being able to do this is right now there are a huge amount of infrastructure, bridge infrastructure in the United States that is in poor condition. And we need more effective ways to spend our limited dollars on bridge inspection. And if we can implement newer technologies, thermal sensing, the Lidar, 3D optical, on drone platforms, then we can make it safer for inspectors to collect their data. We can do it more quickly, or they can be exposed to traffic less often, and that data can get integrated into workflows on which bridges should be repaired and when.